update. We are here at the booth of Laser Technologies. So let's hear from their experts what they are presenting over here and what new technologies they have presented over here.
Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Agarwal, MD Laser Technologies Private Limited. We are here at Metal Forming Expo, Pune. We are displaying our latest fully electric 36 ton 1.3 meter press brake. It is already sold to one of our premium customer Kakade Laser, and 3 more are also booked. This machine is wonderful when you have small parts and and you need high productivity and high accuracy. So this machine is really amazing machine with latest controller which can be controlled by laptop. You can control the complete machine by laptop itself. It's a 6-axis machine, and the productivity and accuracy is amazing with this machine. So this is our latest launch. So next we have GSBM make servo hydraulic machine, which is 100 ton 3.2 meter with 5 axes, and you can see the accuracies and the bending complications here. This machine is capable of doing any complex bend on your sheet metal. This is with 5 axes with the clamps which are very easy to operate. The tooling is wonderful. It's very high accuracy machine. So this is the second bending machine which we are displaying here. Next in line we have a 3 kilowatt handheld welding machine with dual wire feeder for high thickness material, and we also have a cobot welding machine, our latest launch, with air cooled laser welding. So you can see the aluminum sample here. It is very good for reflective material, and when you need automation, we have cobot with this, with the complete dedicated welding table and a fully fixed stand for the welding machine as well as the wire feeder. So if you need a burr-free, a beautiful weld, then come to us and test your parts. We are ready to make trials and prove that these machines are the best when it comes to welding, because there are very less post process, and the weld quality is like, you don't need powder coating or painting post that.
Hello everyone, today we are here at Metal Forming 2025. Here we are showcasing our HSG 6025 sheet cutting machine. This machine has got many features, but if we'll just come and see the machine, this can cut up to 25 mm MS and around 20 mm SS. So we are showcasing many machines here. The main focus is our G6025C machine, a single bed machine which saves a lot of space, and this machine has the capacity to cut 25 mm MS, mainly used in sheet metal processing industries. So we are also showcasing our flagship model, which is R1, a tube cutting machine. This machine is very popular for automobile industry, mainly used in furniture industry, automobile industry. This machine has got probably the highest cutting speed in the industry. Our flagship model, which comes with 120 mm diameter, 6 to 120 mm diameter, ultra high speed machine compared to any other machine available in the market. So please come and visit us.